Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at my most recent order from the Happy Planner. So they put out a bunch of limited edition, whatever stuff. Um, so I, of course, grabbed it. Don't really know why, but I'm thinking like gifts. So at least for some of this. So like here's one that would make a good gift. So they have this mug. This is a decent sized mug. It's not small. They put ounces on the bottom. No, but I'm guessing at least 12, if not 16. It's a decent sized mug. And it's got little Happy Planner discs on the outside. I wish they hadn't done yellow, but you know, the rest of it balances out okay. It's microwave and dishwasher safe, and I think that's cute, even if you just wanted to put it on your desk and fill it with pens. It's cute. So that's the mug. And then they had a gift set for 2 micronotes, which I think is funny because they like don't come out with micronotes anymore unless it's in some kind of gift thing. So there's the 2 60-sheet micronotes, and then there's 80 sheets of fill paper underneath, and it looks like the same fill paper is underneath this one anyway. I don't know about the other one. I don't really want to open it because this is actually a gift, and it came damaged enough already. But that's what they look like. If you know somebody who would like little tiny notebooks, this would be a good gift for them. I have no idea if this stuff is still available or not. If it is, I'd grab it. If you like anything. If you don't like it, don't grab it. So the last thing is this mystery bag. Now, they gave us lots of mystery bags last year for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and a couple other things. I think they've done them, and they haven't been so great. The bags don't really hold that much. People didn't really like the designs, so this is really cute. This does have a gusseted bottom, so it does actually hold things. When we get everything out, I'll show you. So, it's a nice bag, it's canvas, black handles, again, discs all over the front, and in case you couldn't read it, it says Plans or Dreams in the Making. And then we've got our mystery item bundle. And here's the bottom of the bag, which hopefully you can tell, like, it actually holds things. I think they heard all the complaining about the lack of actual bag bottom, which is good because now they're more useful. I took away all my bags here in New Jersey, so every reusable bag I can get my hands on is helpful. Well, they pack the stuff really well, I'll give them that. These kits are usually full, these surprise bags are usually full of like older stuff. So it's not, you know, going to be spring release most likely, or fall release. This may be many releases ago, and depending on when you started using, see the washi's always trying to run away. Whenever you started using Happy Planner, this stuff may be before you even started. More recycling. Okay. Let's move stuff over and try to kind of one at a time this. Alright, so this one's pretty simple. These are rainbow metal discs. They are not the expander discs, they're the regular size. And we've got a tube of washi here. The tops always pop off so easily. It's not the best. It's, let's see, does it have a year on it? Why don't you have a year? 2016. So washi tape really only holds up that so long. I'm guessing it wasn't that color when it started. This one's not bad. This one, not so great. This one, again, not so great. This one might be okay. The random, like, Christmas spread or something. This one's not so good. And this one doesn't look so good at all. Yeah. So, but what I do is I take ugly washi and I use it to, like, keep, to, like, hold stuff down or seal up seed packets. So, ugly washi gets used just in a different way. And if you like it and don't think it's ugly, that's cool. Alright, we got sticker books. We got 3 sticker books. We'll get them in a minute. We've got half sheets. These are 60. They have the Monday through Saturday, Sunday down the side. And they are from 2019. Here's what they look like. The back is dot grid, and the front has every day of the week on the side in different colors. So if you're looking for something to just I can't speak this morning. If you're looking for something to just jot down like daily notes or something on the go or whatever, those might be good. They sent envelopes. And not even going to, here, there's pictures of them on the back. Like, I have 9 million envelopes. To take them out of the package is just to add them to the discs of envelopes that already exist. What are you? 5 sticky notepads. Okay. They have divider tabs, which is interesting. It says side note. This is from 2018. And I'll open this only because I've never seen it before. Looks like it is punched to go into your planner. Okay, so about that much of it. So this much is sticky. And then you've got a little tab that sticks out. So you could write notes. And then they'll stick out for your tabs. So, like this is this dot grid. And then these are lines with shapes. And these are colorful lines with a border. And we got more dot grid and some kind of paint stripey along the edge. And then we've got like a pink and orange, just says notes, black and white lines, and that's the end of that. And they're punched to go in your planner. This could actually be useful, especially like for a budget planner. You need to like sit there and do a lot of math. You don't necessarily want to lose your math. Those might be good. These are sticky notes. These are not punched to go in your planner. There's a whole bunch of different sizes. Arrows, small boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here. If you like something on here and want to use it as a box, you can always just use your tape runner and glue it down. Now we've got a pen case from 2018. Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful. It is punched to go in your planner. And it's got the white interior and the obligatory silica gel. So, that's cute. Alright, they did say there was going to be a block pad. I don't have this block pad, thank goodness. So this one has blue dot grid over here, Monday through Sunday down here, and then the back is going to be blank, like all the other ones. So you can do whatever you want with the back. You can do nothing with the back, but that's what the front looks like. And then we've got filler paper, and this is pink filler paper. It says important. It's got white dots all over it. I don't use colored filler paper. Oh, it's got 4 colors in here. Yeah, look at this side. There's 4 colors. I don't use colored filler paper, so this will end up in a giveaway. And pocket folders. Don't really use these anyway. I mean, they're good for, you know, makeshift covers for holding paper and things together. So you get 6 of them, so you could make 3 little makeshift paper storing books. And that's what they look like. And these are from, where's our year? 2016. We're getting vintage. Okay, and the last thing, and this is from 2019. This is a snapping cover. So this is like the textured, very hard. The plastic's going to be really hard to pop on. So if you have trouble with popping difficult things onto discs, this may not necessarily be one you're going to like. I don't remember if I ever liked this design or not. I know that I don't, sorry about that, I know that I don't own one of these. I have other ones. I have black ones that were like this hard, and then they started coming out with the newer ones that were easier to snap on, so I just started buying those. But yeah, so that's everything that comes in that mystery pack. Are they gonna all be the same stuff? I don't know. They might be different stuff. They might not be different stuff. There's really no way to know until other people start getting them and unboxing them, and we see what they get. So, it's a lot of paper. Oh, we didn't look at the sticker books. Okay, so we got Planner Basics, and this one is from 2016. So we got like to-do lists, glasses, circles, treat yourself, a bunch of food, and some decent boxes, budget boxes, lots of checklists and bullets, lots of food related stuff, nail polish. Let's see if maybe we can get some different pages. Like here's a thing of holidays, and then like lazy weekend, and so some of that is more useful than others to me. Always to me when I say these things. If you love something and like every bit of it, good for you. I'm glad. Because I always feel kind of like, well, why didn't I like everything in there? You know, so like these are cute. Don't really have a tremendous number of uses for some of the things, but things that are cute, I'll sometimes try to find a way. So there's a lot of, wait, was that weather? Like here's like chore stuff, there's hearts. What was the one I saw? There's like little weather things. Those are cute. Laundry. The pages keep hitting the camera. Like, but there's a lot of cute stuff in here. More budget stuff. You got piggy banks, dollar bills, payday. There's a lot of cute stuff in here. And this one is from 2017. And then we've got this one. If I move these over, I can get them to not hit the camera. What do you think? And this one is like just called Stickers, which makes me think it was like one of the first books. So it's very classic, old school, happy planner colors. In fact, I think I have this book. I might have two of this book because I recognize all of this. So it's useful, functional stuff. There's cute sayings. They're just, you know, the older fonts, the older colors. So this one is from 2016. Get the string back on there. Alright, so all this, tube of washi, and metal discs. So it's really not bad. I don't remember what this was, but it wasn't expensive. So it's really not bad, especially if you don't have a whole lot of happy planner stuff and you're just starting out. This is a good way to get a bunch of different products, try them out, see if you like them. Maybe not the stickers just because they're the older stickers, but a lot of us are still using older stickers because there's just things that are your favorite that you're going to go back to over and over again. Which I think might be why I have 2 or 3 of that book. There's probably a page or 3 in there that I absolutely love, and just keep buying it for that. That's definitely going to go in a giveaway because I do not do colored paper. And I might as well get this in here too for right now. So I put everything from that back in this bag, and there's still room to put more things in this bag. So this is a much better bag. Way better bag. Alright, so that's it for this video. Let me know if you picked this stuff up, or if it's still there if you're going to, and what your favorite thing was. And I'll see you guys in the next video.